Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the pickleball field here. Marcus is playing pickleball. We're gonna take a walk. We're gonna take a walk here at the To Hien Tan Street. Alright, this is how it looks. Lots of local places here in the street. And we're gonna walk towards the Antung area. This is also a weather update here. Oh, look at this building here. What? That looks good. They're gonna change something here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a place to live or a restaurant. But yeah, we're gonna take a stroll here and show you a little bit here also the local side. Lots of street vendors here in the streets as well. It's not that much of a street where lots of cars drive through, but more motorbikes. And lots of banh mi's, of course. 15,000 dong for banh mi. Yeah. And we're gonna take a stroll here, all the way south to the Antung area. You cannot even drive with a bus here. I think on the left might be a school or something. It's not pretty walkable. There's no sidewalk here, so I cannot even rate it. There's a sidewalk here, but I don't even think it's fitting a motorbike. So this is, for example, a typical street where people do not walk. Yeah. Also, construction, this looks pretty toxic. Not sure what this is. It is not a strong storm or anything here. I think it all went north, but we still have a little bit of a bad weather depression. I do believe if the storm is gone, then it will also be good weather again. So it should just be 1 or 2 more days, I believe, that it's bad. Because at the end of the day, it's just a storm. It's not a rainy season yet. It is nice and fresh. It's not that humid anymore. So it's nice to walk around. Fresh air. That's a good thing about those rainstorms. So here you have lots of street stands here. Look at this. All the way to the right and to the left. XOI is sticky rice. Definitely try it out. Vietnamese sticky rice, beautiful. Oh, look at this, more pickleball players. Hi! Are you playing pickleball?
Yeah, mate.
All right.
Hey,
Have fun. Those are Marcus' pickleball friends. Also, they also watch this channel, so shout out to you. What a mix-up there is. We have a French Canadian there, some Germans, Australians, Americans, English, Vietnamese, all mixed up in Marcus's pickleball gang. So if you want to play pickleball, yeah, gotta go with Marcus. I also checked out the paddle thing, but I don't know if there are many people playing paddle here in Da Nang yet, or if it's just coming slowly. Ban Kan, also a nice noodle dish. And what do they have here? Healthy spa. Interesting. The 200,000 in the happy hour. Good prices here. Crab cake Vietnamese udon. That's how a Ban Kan calls here. Okay. In English. So here there are also homestays. But I'm not sure if I want to live here because it's like non-stop motorbikes driving around here and probably lots of honking. But there are options to live here. I'm not sure how it is. Maybe if you go to the back out, if you have a room to the back. Oh, look at this. It's a hostel. I don't see many hostels here. Look at this. It looks pretty nice. Cozy. I'm wondering what a hostel costs here. If a hotel room is that cheap. Also, I believe the good weather tourists are gone. and the hotel prices are pretty much back to normal almost. It's crazy. I checked out a room yesterday from a friend and I saw all the prices. They went down. Lots of good options. Under 20 bucks, definitely. Almost back to normal. Now, if there's more rain and everything, it all goes down like crazy again. I think also the summer holidays for the school kids is also over. So, if I'm not wrong, you can comment if you know, but I think the main season is over. The domestic, the tourist season. At the end of the street there's also a very interesting restaurant. I eat there often. We'll show you a dish that is not for everyone. Oh, look at this. That's a man's spa. I think it's a spa for gay men. Because there was also the sign. That's what man spa means. That's what someone explained to me. So I'm not sure if they don't allow a woman or... Yeah, it was pretty mean. I think women don't have a problem getting massage from gay men as well, right? Some want to have it a little strong and everything like that. Well, I hope they don't discriminate my woman here. We got some coffee shops over here, more massage places. I have not tried anything here. Maybe there is a good place. Oh, you know what? This is Daegu Bakery. They actually make a very nice bakery, but you have to order them. They make very nice cakes. I saw them online. It's crazy. They even have pretzels here. If you Google this, you will see like this place makes crazy good cakes. Wow. I mean, this is already a reason to come into the street. Go Google Daegu blah blah bakery. I think I will put them into my guide. Wow. Because my friend tried it out already and he was like, this is amazing. The real good cakes. And they have everything, but you have to order it. They do it on the on ordering. And this here, Bundamamtom, beautiful fermented shrimp sauce, and goodness, yeah, oh, I love it. It's a good place here for Bundamamtom, and they're still open. Over 3 years at least. I saw them on day one and still now. And now we are back in the Antung area here, guys. This is how close the Antung area or the tourist town is from the more local area. So this here is also a very popular hotel here. It's also, I think, around 10 bucks. Soccer hotel. And then we have the Moon Milk over here. This is also very famous Kom Tam place. A little bit more expensive than usual, with 50k. Usually Kom Tam in the lunchtime is 25,000. But it is nice to have AC, very, very friendly owner, and the dishes are very good quality. It looks good. It's on a big plate, so it's not that crowded on the plate. You will see. Try it out here and try it out on the street. You will see the difference and then make up your mind. And this is, I had this too. Kung Fu. I think this spicy Chinese noodles. It's good, but it's definitely... Hey!
I think I saw you on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm filming right now.
Oh yeah. I thought you do it with your iPhone. You do it with that?
No, I do it with this, yeah.
How do you talk? How can they hear it?
I have a microphone on.
On your... Really?
Yeah, here.
And how do you edit your video? Is it hard?
I mean, depends what kind of videos. Like
so you post on
my
YouTube.
walking videos. Yeah, I know. But I have 3 channels.
Maybe I'll do it later.
No, you can walk
Look
with
at
me.
channel, yeah. I think I,
Yeah, I have Social Semi, then Social Semi walks,
This over here is the rank.
and a German one as well.
So what's the, for Vietnamese, which one do you have?
In Vietnamese? No.
No, your YouTube channel.
Social Semi.
Social Sammy.
Yeah. All right, let's continue. We are here at the Highlands on the left and Bread and Butter on the right. And then you probably saw this area many times. And we're gonna keep walking back. Might get another coffee. We are now in the Chan Bac Dan Street, guys. And this Antung 26 is very interesting. It's lots of affordable hotels in this street and lots of restaurants. Like Kebab Nong, definitely a recommendation. And yeah. This here was very good. Sometimes it's a little bit inconsistent, but the first few impressions were very good. So it's still in the guide, but I will try it out one more time. I had 2 times, wasn't that perfect. I mean, it was all good, but yeah, it wasn't. They started very high with the quality, and then it went down a little bit. But it could also be just a bad day, right? But in general, the concept and everything is very good. Never been any bad or food poisoning or anything like that. So it stays in the guide, but I will keep an eye on it. Because in this street, it's actually one of my favorite Vietnamese restaurants. If you just come here and try out northern dishes, for example, this restaurant we're gonna walk now is one of my favorite because it's always delivers. In every location I went, I think they have at least three locations in Son Cha, in the Hai Chow area, in the city center, around the Han River city side. And now they have it since 2-3 months. They have one location here, and it's beautiful. It's fantastic. And my Vietnamese, my Hanoian family, my Hanoian parents-in-law also approved it. Said it's good. So yeah, and my wife as well. She loves it there. And it's here on the right side. It's typical rice dishes, but they also have this 4 rolls. And every German I showed it, and Marcus, they all love those 4 rolls. It's the easiest thing to eat here. It's like it's a no-brainer. They have so many easy things to eat for everyone. Even Mam Tep, if you never had it, just try it out. It's very good. That's it. And that's the 4 rolls. Nice. They also have the normal spring rolls, the soft ones, and this typical fried rice with pickled mustard greens and beef. Typical Hanoian dish. My wife loves this. But they also have mi quang from the center here. Yeah, you can find all the best places, of course, in my Google Maps guide. The number 1 here. And also apartments. It's also a big plus. I already put in a lot of condo buildings with the phone numbers and everything, so you can text them and get one pretty simple. Look at this. Have you known there's a Hilton spa here? But I think they're closed now. This is also very important street for all Australians. The Lelo Street, home of the beautiful Aussie Bistro. Yeah, definitely if you want to do some sports, Aussie sports, have some Aussie meals, and a beautiful, nice host like Rod. You gotta go there. Aussie Bistro here on the right side. They have also a beautiful Sunday roast. I'm often here on Sundays, depends. Sometimes I'm not in the country, but if I can make it, especially if some sports are on Sundays, I'm here. Aussie Bistro. Nice. But it's a little bit early now. But they're open. So no matter what time the games are, you can get your sports in here. They also have breakfast and heavy Aussie dishes. This is also good to change money and crypto and buy airplane tickets. So maybe it is also, you can buy airplane tickets with crypto there. No? Brand new coffee shop here. Looks very stylish, but no one in there yet. They even have an upstairs area with AC. Very interesting. Yeah. That's cool. But not that busy yet. And something's gonna happening over here. I think this is gonna be a big building. They also have a lake in there already. I'm not sure if they're gonna continue now with the season or why they don't continue at the moment. Maybe it's the weather, who knows. And here we have Samantha. They also have a crypto exchange and of course money exchange. They also have lots of motorbikes and bicycles. They usually have more, but they're not out now. And this, oh my God, they finished this building. So this building was a abandoned building since I came here. And they just started a few months ago to finish this building. Now it's called Brio Elera. Brio Elera. But you can see it's still not 100% done, but I think they're gonna opening soon. Yeah, keep an eye on it. This is also a very popular place here. The Lagom Apartments or something. Yeah. I'm wondering when they're gonna do something with this building. I think it was for sale or for rent, and now the sign is gone. Not sure if there's someone else took it over. The new style barbershop, 70,000 dong for a haircut. Hello. It's also unusual, a haircut, a barber right in the lobby of your apartment building. The M Kitchen. I think they're doing well too. Usually when I walk by there in the evening, it's kind of full. Get JP Motors here. And the beautiful VF3 action combo here. Yeah, and you know what? Because you stick around for so long, I will give you another hotel tip. Which I actually don't want to give a tip because my friend always likes to stay there. But I will give it to you because you are the most loyal viewer. You're watching until the end. And it's over here. The Sana Hotel. It was Pandora or something, and then they renovated and changed everything. But yeah, Sana Hotel. This is my German friend's favorite hotel here. And he sometimes gets it for like 16 euro with breakfast and pool. Yeah, definitely a recommendation. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And see you in the next one.